2017 KTM 1290 R Superduck ABS is built to be the epitome of bare bike design. Minimal body paneling leaves you with an unimpeded view of the frame, engine, and running gear, and it makes the bike look lean as a snake, leaving nothing to the imagination. Even the swingarm and rear monoshock are plainly visible, which is unusual even among naked bikes. In addition to all the features on the base model, the Superduck R Special Edition comes with a special, orange, and white paint job, and some performance components from KTM's PowerParts selection. This includes a titanium, Akrapovic exhaust, special engine covers, wave-cut brake discs, clamp-on, adjustable handlebars and a special seat, all meant to make for a more race-tastic ride right off the showroom floor. If the chassis is the setting, then the LC8 engine is definitely the crown jewel. The 1,301 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled 75-degree V-twin engine cranks out a whopping 106.2 pound-feet of torque and 177 horsepower with lightweight, forged pistons that reduce reciprocating mass to allow for faster response to changes in throttle settings. Furthermore, the piston skirts have a hard, anodized coating that reduces piston-to-cylinder friction and wear. The Bosch 9M and twin-channel ABS works to prevent loss of traction with varying degrees of intervention, depending on which setting you use out of the sport, street, rain, or Supermoto choices. If you really know what you are doing and or want to hit the track, you can even turn it off for full manual brake function. This system works with the all-around, 4-piston Brembo calipers, with dual brakes up front on 320mm discs and a single 240mm disc in the back.